Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create your own custom Discord bot with Eris. And Eris is a node module to interact with the Discord API. If you are very new and this is your first coding experience, you will need to download Visual Studio Code and Node. I will not be showing you how in this video, but I will link my first video, which will be in the card above right now, and that video teaches you how to install both of those. Before we get started, I would like to say join my Discord if you need any help. I'm always active and I will be ready to help. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first you're going to go in Visual Studio Code and we're going to install Eris with npm I Eris, and we're going to let that download, and it is downloaded. So now we're going to create our main file. I'm just going to name mine index.js, and first we are just going to require a config file, so we're going to create that. So config.json I mean. And here we are going to store our prefix and token for our bot. And the token is what we use to log into our bot, so do not share your token with anyone because they can log in and do stuff with your bot. Anyways, so we're going to create our prefix, and we're also going to create our token. So for prefix, I'm just going to use exclamation point, and for token, you have to go to the Discord developer portal, which is discord.com/developers, and there you have to create an application. So hit new application, type in the name, hit create, and then it'll show you from there. Then you have to go to bot and then hit create bot. And then you want to copy the token, and then here's where you put your token. Now we're going to go back to our main file and we're going to require our config file so we can take the token and prefix out of it and drag it to this file in simpler terms. So we're going to do const, now we're going to do brackets, and we're going to do prefix and token. And it's going to equal require ./config.json. Now we're going to require Eris so we can actually use it. So const Eris equals require Eris. Now we are going to actually create our client or bot, as many more people are using now. So I'm just going to use client though. So const client equals new Eris, and then make sure that's a function, so I have the parentheses. And in here is where we put our token. So we already defined it above, so we're just going to put token. And now we are ready to start actually coding the bot. So first, before we actually do that, I guess we're just going to log into the bot so it actually turns on. So to do that, we're going to do client.connect, and that is a function, so add the brackets, or parentheses, sorry. So now we're going to create a ready event, and to do that, we're going to do client.on ready. Then we're going to pass nothing and create an arrow function. And here we're going to do console.log, and you can say anything. I'm just going to say bot is on. So now we are going to create our message event so the bot can actually send messages. So to do that, we're going to do client.on message create message. So we're going to pass message and then create our arrow function, and here we are going to make an if statement. We're going to say if message dot content equals, which is the way we're using equals in JavaScript. And here we are actually going to use backticks, and we're going to do money sign brackets, and we're going to put prefix, and here we're going to put the command name. So I'm just going to say ping for this. Then we're going to add brackets to the end of this, and we're going to say client.create message. And then we're going to open up parentheses. And the first thing we're going to pass is the channel we're sending this in. So we're going to do message.channel.id, and that will send in the same channel the person sent the command name, or the command trigger, I guess. And then we do comma, and then we're going to pass what the bot will send. So I'm just gonna say pong since we did ping. And now when we run the bot, it should be ready to go. So we're gonna run the bot with no dot. As you can see, bot is on since we added that in the ready event. And if we do ping, as you can see, the bot responds with pong. So if we want to add more commands, we can do if-else chain. So we have our original if, then we do else if, and then we can just do the same thing over and over, but with different command names. Since this is a more simple startup video, I'm not going to show anything advanced, so these are just pretty basic things. So if we just want to do help, and then we open this up, client.create message, and then same thing as before. We're just going to say is here, and this should work fine. We're going to turn our bot off with Control-C, turn it back on with a dot, and now if we do exclamation point help is here. So this is how you create a basic bot with Eris. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leaving a like or a comment is very much appreciated. Creative criticism is very much appreciated. I really do like that. So comment down below any you do have. Thank you for watching this video, and I am out.